Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your trading bot using Telegram. The era of using Phantom connecting to Radium is very slow and outdated with a lot of failed transactions and whatever, you know that. So I'll be showing you an easy way. I'll guide you through the whole process of how to set it up, how to buy your first meme coin using this Telegram bot. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch to the end. And also don't forget to share this video to friends or family member that might be interested in this type of video. So let's go. So to get started with this, you will need three things. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's start from number one first. So number one thing you need to do is to have an exchange, either Bybit, Coinbase, KuCoin, OKX, whatever exchange you have that you can actually purchase crypto from. You can use your naira or dollar to buy crypto, Sol. Then that's what you will be needing. So that's the first thing you will need: an exchange. In this one I have Bybit. You can use anyone you prefer as long as it can get you Sol or whatever crypto you need for the transactions. So you just need to download an exchange. And for the second thing you'll be needing a Telegram bot. So in this video I'll be using GmGn. You can use Trojan or whatever you desire, but I'm using this for this video. And to get started with this is not very complicated, it's very easy, and I'll break it down. Please, like, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and watch the end. So to get started, I'll be dropping a link to this in the comment section. That's the referral link you can click to get GmGn or Trojan or whatever. I'll be dropping them, so you can pause this video actually and go to the description of this video, and you will see the links of the Telegram bot you can use. There are a lot of them, but for this video I'll be using GmGn. So let's see how to set it up. So if you click the link that will be in the description, then it will take you to this place. Then what you will see, the first thing here is wallet. This wallet is what you could copy. Just tap to copy the wallet. Only tap and the wallet is already copied in your clipboard. Once you copy it, remember when I told you to download an exchange. So you need to have an exchange. What you have to do now is head over to the exchange. Like, if you are using Bybit, head over to Bybit. Once you get to your Bybit or Binance or whatever exchange you're using, go to the withdraw area. Remember, you must have Sol in your wallet already. So you have to search for Sol. If you have Sol, just search for Sol, then you click Solana. Remember, this is just for illustration purpose. Yeah, just to show you how to set it up. Then remember the address you copied from your GmGn. Just have to paste the address here. Select the network Solana. To send Sol to that address, you need a gas fee of 1.71 cents. That's $1.71, and in Sol it will be 0.008 Sol to send, and the minimum you can set is 0.1 Sol. 0.1, so that's the minimum you can send out. So I don't have Sol currently. This is just for illustration purposes. So you have to have 0.1 Sol, and the gas fee is 0.008 Sol. So once you have it, and we already posted the address, you just have to click the withdraw button there. And once you are done, then you have to head over back to the Telegram. So once you're back in the Telegram, this place they write they wrote 0 Sol. This will be updated to 0.1 Sol. That's immediately you send. It take few minutes and it will reflect here. And that's the second thing you need to do. You have to have Sol in your GmGn sniper bot. So once you send it to this address, it will reflect here 0.1 Sol, or any amount of Sol you want to send, 1, 2, 3 Sol, depending on the money you have. So once you send it, it will reflect here. And number three, you need a website where you can find all the information on the meme coins you want to trade on. So you can use descreener.com or gmgn.ai. These are websites you can find different types of meme coins you can trade. And yeah, You can either use both or either one, and anyone you prefer, they are still all the same. So once you get to the website, what you have to do is click one of the, if you already have an update that someone sent you, you can search for it. But if you don't have an update that someone sent for you, you can actually click any of the, you can actually click any of the coins. So let's just use Pengu so for this. Remember I told you, first thing before you trade a pair is to check the Twitter, check the Telegram, check the current price, and check whether the liquidity is locked. These are very important. The community is very important as well, because of to know whether the community is active, whether people are complaining about the project and stuff like that. So you need to actually check the community to find out. So that's very important. So once you are done with that type of once you are done with checking the basic things you need for this project, which includes the Twitter, Telegram, the price, whether the liquidity is locked, and the top holders, then you have to head over to this place, Pengu. So just click the clipboard image there, copy address, copy to clipboard. So once you copy it, now you have to head over to the Telegram. So once you get to the Telegram, you have to paste. Remember, you copied the address from test screener. That's the Pengu and contract address. So just have to paste the contract address you copied, paste, and send it just like that. Then they will bring the list or the update about the project. That's Pengu. Remember, we copied Pengu. So this is the contract address for Pengu. All these stuff, the current price, the market cap, price chart, suggest see panel. But all these, you have already done your research and you have decided that you want to buy this. I'm not saying you should buy Pengu. I'm talking about any other coin you want to trade on. You understand? So once you have done your research and it comes to this place, and you already have a soul fund there. Remember, I didn't fund my own, but I showed you how to fund it. So if you already have soul and you're ready to trade, then you head over to this place, swap, limit, refresh, turbo mode, anti-aim, wherever. Then you get to this buy. So if you have 0.1 so, you click with 0.1 so. That if you want to buy with 0.1 so. If you want to buy with 0.5, you want to buy with 1 so, or whatever so you want to buy. But if you want to buy with a limit order, that to set your own price. Remember, if you have 0.1 so, you can't use everything because of gas fee, so you have to leave some. So the best thing to do is click the buy X so. This buy X will help you customize the amount of so you want to buy. That's if I want to buy, if I have 0.1 so, and I remember that I need gas fee, so I've just put in 0.08. That's leaving 0.02 for gas fee. Remember, you must use 0.02 as gas fee. As I don't have so in my bot, it won't go, but let me just show you how it will look like. If I had so in my wallet, it would have gone by Pengu by 0.8 so. Insufficient balance 0. Please top up, tap to copy. Remember that's my address. So basically, before you do this, you have to fund your wallet, and this is the easiest way to buy it, not using Phantom, connected to Radium, and all those stressful ways that we normally use. Using Telegram bot is the easiest way. So remember, you can also use there is, if you don't have any knowledge about trading meme coins, you also have copy trading, but that will be in the subsequent videos. So you have to like this video and subscribe to get the next update I'll be dropping. How to copy trade, that's copying trade of top traders, those that you can see that make up to 10k, 1k daily from meme coins. How to find out the best meme coins to trade and all that. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you'll be missing out a lot. 2025 is going to be hot, bro. So you need to get locked in. You understand? So that's it. Let's go.